A drowning man doesn't ask if the water is good or bad. He just wants out. Yet millions are drowning in debt, calling it normal. In the Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey exposes the truth and shows how to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Debt isn't a tool, it's a trap. Credit cards, car loans, and mortgages keep people locked in a cycle of payments, interest, and financial stress. But if debt is so harmful, why do we keep borrowing? If debt is so dangerous, why do some call it good? Student loans, car payments, and mortgages are often seen as smart investments. But in the Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey warns, debt always takes more than it gives. Debt isn't just about interest rates, it's about control. Every month, banks take a piece of your paycheck, leaving just enough to survive. Ramsey's message is clear. As long as you owe, you'll never own. So, if debt controls your life, how do you take back control? Not with luck, but with a system. The baby steps start with a $1,000 emergency fund, then attack debt head-on. One step at a time, financial freedom becomes possible. Paying off debt isn't just about math, it's about momentum. Ramsey's debt snowball strategy starts with the smallest debt first, creating a psychological win that keeps you going. Small victories lead to total freedom. Getting out of debt is just the beginning. The real goal? Building wealth. Ramsey's plan doesn't stop at being debt-free. It pushes you to invest, save, and create lasting financial security. What's next after zero debt? A life on your terms. Financial success isn't about luck. It's about habits and discipline. Changing the way you think about money is the key to lasting freedom. After all, if you never borrow again, who really wins? You or the banks? Save $1,000 because emergencies happen. Attack debt one step at a time. Invest and build lasting wealth. Every day you wait, the cycle continues. Every payment made to the bank is a dream delayed. But today, you choose.